Welcome back to the garage. Today in the stand I have something a little unusual, unusual for me. It's actually a bike that's not a total piece of crap. It's actually been well cared for, and I only paid $30 for it. So I actually got a good deal on something. This is a 1986 Ross. It's the high-tech mount hood. It's triple-butted chromoly. It has mostly a Suntour XC Sport group set. The brakes have been switched out to Shimano XT U brakes, and it is a Suntour rear derailleur, but it's not the right one. It's actually it's labeled a Raleigh. So eventually I'm gonna switch those back to the Suntour XC Sport. But I gotta say, this crank set with that chainring on it, I mean, that by itself is worth the 30 bucks. So this one appears to have been garage crypt. Yeah, the saddle's horrible. But yeah, this appears to have been well cared for and hung in a garage its whole life. So I was happy to pick it up. That stem, it looks an awful lot like the Crank Bros or Cook Bros dog bone stem, but it's not. It's a Ross stem. If I can focus on it. There we go, with the mount hood on the handlebar. So really, all I need to do with this is get rid of that ugly saddle. And actually, I want to put some bull moose bars on it. I like that stem. The bars are fairly wide, but the bull moose bars are a little bit wider. I think it'll be a better look. And then get some decent tires on it. So yeah, I'm just doing a simple makeover on this one. And the seat post is not seized. There we go. Good. Okay, and just putting a proper Brooks saddle on it makes a huge difference. So I guess it's on to the handlebars. Okay, and I've got some skin walls that I'm just going to do off camera. Those will look good. Okay, so here is essentially stage one of the build. I do want to replace these brakes with the roller cam brakes that match the rest of it, but these work for now. These handlebars actually weigh less than the other setup and are wider, and I can slam them lower, so that's what I want. Brick saddle is a huge improvement, and I do want to switch out this derailleur for something better, probably a matching one. I do have a Shimano Deerhead XT that I thought about putting on here, but I think I'll just hold off to get the matching one. And that crankset is just awesome. So anyhow, until I get more parts in, this is where it's at. Thanks for watching.